Hey guys, welcome back to Bike Banter. I know, we usually talk two wheels here. But every now and then, we take a pit stop and check out what's happening in the four-wheel world, especially when it's something big. And today, it's a heavyweight face-off, the 2024 BMW 5 Series versus the Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Two absolute titans of the luxury midsize sedan game. Now, BMW's gone full modern with the new 5 Series. It's bigger, sleeker, and packed with tech. It's also got that bold kidney grille, but don't worry, it's not as aggressive as on the 7 Series or the XM. The lines are sharp, the lighting is minimalist, and the overall look is sporty with just the right amount of class. You can definitely tell BMW wants this car to appeal to younger professionals. Over at Mercedes, the new A-Class has taken a more elegant route. Smooth lines, flush handles, and that signature star up front, it's less flashy, more refined. The front end has a bit of EQ inspiration, especially around the headlights and grille. It's like Mercedes is blending their gas and electric design languages, and honestly, it works. Inside, both cars are crazy impressive. The BMW hits you with its curved display that stretches across the dash, housing both the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system. eDrive 8.5 runs the show, and it's slick, super customizable, voice control is sharp, and there's even built-in gaming. No joke, you can plug in a controller and play while parked. Mercedes, though, they've taken it to another level. The A-Class offers the optional Super Screen, which stretches almost the entire dashboard. MBUX is still one of the best infotainment systems in the game. And they've added new ambient lighting effects that pulse with the music. It's more than just driving now, it's an experience. Performance-wise, both have solid engine options. BMW's offering a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder in the 530i and a 3.0-liter inline-6 with mild hybrid tech in the 540i. Both engines are super smooth and deliver the performance you'd expect from the badge. And yes, there's an all-electric i5 version, too. Mercedes is sticking with a similar formula, 4 and 6-cylinder mild hybrids that prioritize smoothness and efficiency. The A350 and A450 are the main players for now, and they're more about comfort than outright speed. Think plush, quiet cruising. On the road, the BMW still feels like the driver's car. Sharper steering, more connected handling, and a sportier edge. The Mercedes leans into comfort. The ride is softer, the cabin is quieter, and it just glides over rough roads like it's floating. So which one's better? Honestly, it comes down to what kind of luxury you want. If you're the kind of person who still wants a bit of driving thrill, even in a family-friendly package, the BMW 5 Series is probably your pick. But if you value comfort, tech, and that refined Mercedes feel, the new A-Class is seriously hard to beat. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Are you team BMW or team Benz? And would you ever ditch the bike for one of these? No shame, we're all about good rides here, no matter how many wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Until then, ride safe and stay curious. Let me know if you want a version with visual cues, timestamps, or a voiceover tone.